Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add tables to your whiteboard presentations on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through it. Navigate to your presentation, whiteboard presentation on Lucidchart. Let me just pan a bit to find space here. So let me add the table here. This is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to the side panel here and select this option here. And from that menu, you have, for example, frame, path, and so on and so forth, timelines, mind maps. Select table or the dynamic table if you like, and select your table resolution, like 3x4 columns and rows or 5x6. I will go 7x5 and position your table. There you go. 5 columns, 7 rows. Now these tables function as any other element. For example, they feature these connectors, so you can connect your table with your other elements. And then you may, of course, customize your table. Left click into it. You may customize the line color, the borders. You may insert rows below or columns to the right. Yeah, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you'd like to add content to these cells, simply click into them. Fonts, font colors, font sizes, change the alignment, the line height, add various lists like bulleted lists, numbered lists. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.